G'day, here's a small parcel of a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, mixed fields. Big piece at the bottom there is from Koroit, the other pieces I don't know. But I'm going a bit closer. The rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted like that there, the light's reflecting off the water. Some of these aren't that much of anything, but you can use it as backing for making doublet and triplets, a piece like that. Not much opal in it. Here's a vein going back in. It's a nice stone. Another little one on the end. Something like that, slice in half and just make it into a pattern stone, albeit there's not a lot of colour in it. Another piece of Koroit by the looks. Some interesting patterns, not a lot of colour. These have just been scooped out of a bucket, so some of them, like this piece, is nothing much. As is that, but you can use that as a backing for a doublet. Those couple of bits are nothing much. Here's this piece of Koroit. Nice patterns. Not a lot of colour, unfortunately. Quite large. In saying that, always grind the outside down a bit, because quite often the opal just forms just under the top surface. But anyway, that's a nice pattern piece. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.